So I want to talk about beta testing products for camping, survival, and tactical and other outdoor things. I started to look into that stuff not too long ago because the channel is still new. I was looking for content that would be useful for the viewers. So I explored the beta tester stuff and I found three different sites that I checked out. I won't say their names here because you know, they could be a legitimate small business or whatever. But I just want to say, if you're looking at this stuff, kind of watch out because it is a business. They're really not giving you anything for free. If you do find one that gives you something for free, heck yeah, man, do it. But this here was some places that said, we're going to give you this for free and you pay the shipping and handling. I'm a skeptic by nature, so I will always look into things. And what I did was I would look at the product that they were trying to give me for free, plus the shipping and handling. And then I would look up that product online. Now, it's not uncommon to find very similar products or even the same products in numerous places online. So they're either rebranding or they're buying cheap and flipping them and selling them. There's nothing wrong with trying to make money if it's legit. I just feel that these guys kind of didn't portray themselves truthfully for the most part. For example, I was given the opportunity to buy a knife that was like maybe 3 inches long, and they were like, this is free, $10 shipping, and I found it on Shein and Temu, both sites for like a couple dollars. The last company that I looked at was, hey man, buy our drone for $50. It's an amazing drone, etc., etc. The same drone is $10 on Temu. So, $50 for shipping and handling for a free drone is kind of crazy. And if I wanted that drone, I would honestly buy it on Temu for $10. There are some good places out there that are legit, and there's ones that aren't. And make sure that you are working with somebody that's on the up and up. You don't want them stealing your information, such as your credit card information, your name, your address, your identity, any of that stuff. So watch yourselves out there. And if you do know of something cool that's legit, let me know because I would love to check it out.